Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: sweet and sour pork. Let's get to the ingredients. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, salt, sugar, cornstarch, minced garlic, ketchup, apple cider vinegar, sliced onions, sliced red and green bell peppers, fresh ginger, pineapple juice, water. This is the pineapple. And of course, the pork that I've already washed with white vinegar and rinsed with cold water several times. And I had it in the refrigerator. So now let's get to making the sweet and sour pork. First thing is we're going to cut up the pineapple. Here is the pineapple that I just diced up, and I'm going to continue to dice the rest of them up, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Now, we're going to saute the pork in this wok. And turn it on to medium high. We're going to wok. You can use canola or vegetable oil. As always, the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box below. Now we let this heat up a bit. While that is heating up, we're going to make the sauce. The ketchup, the apple cider vinegar, the crushed garlic, the sugar, the pineapple juice, we add a little water, black pepper, have to open the salt. It's giving me a little problem to open. There. Add a little sea salt. Worcestershire. Oyster sauce. And soy sauce. And some cornstarch. We add a little cornstarch at a time because when we add it to the pork, we want to see how thick we might want it. If you add all that now, it might be too thick. So if you need it thicker, you add a little more. Now the oil has heated up, so it's time to add the pork. We let this saute up here for about 20 minutes on each side. Let's check the pork and see how it's been jumping in the pot. Oh, it has sauteed enough. Let's move on to the next step. Now I have a grater here and I have some ginger. And I'm going to grate the ginger over the pork. Okay, that's enough. Let's mix this up. And the next step is we're going to add the onions. The red and green bell peppers. And now we're going to let the pineapple jump in the pot. We mix up everything together and let it saute here for about 3 minutes. Then we will move on to the next step. Let me check now. Let me check. Yes, sauteed up enough. Now let's add the sweet and sour sauce. We let everything cook up together for about 20 minutes. Let's check and see if it's ready. Yes, it's cooked down. Very good, very good. It's ready. Now I'll be back with the plate all served up. Here's the finished dish. Sweet and sour pork. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And please check your notification on YouTube to make sure your setting is on to be notified every time I bring you a video. So I will see you soon with another video. Bye.